make
pizza lasagna.
All right. Today we got a recipe that my wife sent me
Recipe.
from.
I don't know what it's from.
Where did she get it from?
I don't know. You just told me she wanted pizza lasagna. Facebook.
Facebook. She got Facebook. So we're gonna try it today. Never made it before, so hope it's good. You ready?
Yeah.
We will be following the directions. And we notice, you see the crust around this pan? You know what that crust is? That's seasoning. That's seasoning around this pan. That's what that is. Seasoning. But anyway, let's get started, yeah? All right. We're going to put some Pam in the bottom. Get it nice and what? Slippery. All right. We're going to spray it down with some Pam.
Yay.
Then we're going to add some sauce.
Sauce. Perhaps.
Ragu. All right, then we're going to smooth it out. We're going to smooth it out. We're going to smooth it out. Let me get this back.
I'm going to smooth it out. Even on the bottom. This is not something else. Don't worry about it. Let's cook. Let's do it. I'm going to put some noodles in there, boy. And we get you. And I put some more sauce in. While you put your noodles down.
Make sure you leave a little space in between. Space it out. There we go.
So we just need 3.
There's 3 of them, all right?
Okay.
Then we're going to lay down some pepperoni.
Fast forward through this part.
All right, so Gabby, what do you love about cooking besides eating? Just the eating part?
Just the eating part.
Just the eating part? So how long have you been eating and cooking?
How old am I? 16. Wait,
16.
No, not 16 years. Like.
16 years?
Yeah, I've been eating and cooking for 16 years. I've been eating and cooking since I was like 5.
So you've been cooking for a while.
My first ever meal that I've ever made was ramen. On the stove.
Wait a minute. Didn't you make lasagna by yourself, right?
Oh, no, I'm talking about my earliest meal.
Oh, your earliest meals.
My earliest meal was a ramen on the stove and I got in trouble.
Yeah, you did. But it's okay.
Because I made it on the stove, unsupervised. That's just how you know I'm him.
Yeah.
I'm good like that.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I knew. I wish I knew you were me.
So how's school going? What do you like about school? Let's talk about school since we're making this. Y'all don't get nothing like this at school, do you?
No.
Nothing
Actually, do it? Oh,
Don't
no.
mess with the cameraman.
Sorry.
Let him do his job.
My bad. Sorry, cameraman. Apparently I'm not supposed to talk to you.
No.
Oh. Dang.
Now you can move around a little bit, cameraman. You just got to stand there.
Cameraman don't even got a name.
You can come and get some shots down in here.
Okay,
All right, so what are we doing next?
we're adding our Canadian bacon. Okay, story time about our Canadian bacon. So I didn't know what Canadian bacon looked like. I thought it just looked like regular bacon that said Canadian bacon on it. So we're walking around looking for this bacon. Ew, it stinks. And we can't find it. So I look on my Walmart app, Canadian bacon. We don't have enough Canadian bacon, by the way.
Maybe that should have been cut in half.
But we don't. It smells bad, doesn't it? Oh. Sorry, didn't mean to talk to the cameraman.
You're not supposed to talk to the cameraman. Just you got just.
Anyways,
That's good.
we couldn't find
Put
it.
one in the middle.
In the middle. I think it looks fine like this, no?
All right, we don't have enough Canadian bacon because we know how much we're going to use. So, what we got? Next, we're going to put some cheese.
Well, back to my story about the Canadian bacon. So we're looking, and we checked the bacon aisle, and we walked past it like 4 or 5 times.
Yes.
But anyways, back to school. School is good. Basketball season started.
And who was your first opponent?
So I came from the school we're playing against. We can't say
You can't name the school?
We can't put the name of the schools, but we're playing against the school that I came from. Actually, I don't know. I think you put the name of our schools on there. Hopefully we don't get.
Well, when I do the videos, you see all the jerseys and stuff, right? With the name on it?
Yeah.
So
But like you don't know, like some of them don't show it. Like Lady Wolves, you wouldn't know what Lady Wolves is.
A wolf?
But you don't know what school that. What school's Lady Wolves?
I don't know.
It's
Well, I'm sure
it's
a lot of people
Shoemaker.
do.
Shoemaker.
All right. Now for more sauce. If we need more, we'll put more. Like I say, this is a recipe we never done before, so we kind of shoot from the hip.
I think we should just put it on there. Yeah. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. Wow.
Okay.
Pizza lasagna for you.
All right. So what's next? More noodles.
More noodles. We repeat this process over and over again.
So we're gonna repeat the process over and over and over again.
But yeah, my first school that I play against is my school that I just came from.
Now, what position are you playing?
I actually have no idea. I could be playing a guard. I could be playing points. I think I'm just playing a guard. And I'm
So
trying
which
to.
one? But you have a number 1, you have a number 2. So which one?
You mean a number 2 to number 3?
No, number 1.
I know. I said point or guard.
For your height, you're only gonna play 2 positions.
I can play 3.
Number 1 or number 2. You're too short for the rest of them.
They had me playing like a guard, as in like.
Anybody can be a guard.
Yeah. So they had me either playing 2 or 3 or 1. 1, 2, or 3. Those are my positions. 1, 2, or 3.
Hopefully this tastes good.
I'm gonna be mad.
I have no clue. Never made it before. But I want to give a shout out whoever made this recipe. We're gonna try it. Since these kids love pizza.
Not pizza lasagna.
That's all I'm saying. Alright, what's next?
I was saying our last little bits of Canadian bacon. Damn, we only have 2 left.
Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, what's next?
Noodles.
What the cheese? Alright, what's gonna be next? Noodles again?
Yeah, no, sauce.
Get the coach and well, drizzle it down.
Whoops. Somebody put it, please.
Listen, you can't be using that man's words. Oh, count.
Ain't nobody know. I don't even know whether I've never seen the person that said that saying. I just hear my dad say it all the time. Somebody come look at this.
Alright, salt.
Oh!
Oh, goodness.
Whoops.
I'm gonna put some on the side here.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Dad, you should have just did that.
Alright, next. Noodle. You got enough in it?
Huh?
You got enough?
Yeah.
You got enough noodles?
Yes. Tina's laughing because I said somebody tried.
See what?
I said somebody tried these noodles.
Alright, next.
This is the bacon.
Salami. Salami. You might open that one over there.
I'm having too much fun.
There'll be no bacon on this one.
Good. I don't even know if that bacon's gonna taste good.
You never know.
Are you still trying to not laugh?
Why are you brought the camera, man?
I'm sorry.
You gonna have him with the video up?
Did you hear me? Dad? I said somebody's so talking
Well,
to
we have a clown in the family here. Oh my goodness.
I'm funny. Please stop.
Alright, next.
Okay,
Cheese.
cheese.
Cheese, please.
Pepperoni.
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, Lord. Make sure you get your sister her clown.
I truly am the most funniest person y'all will ever meet.
Okay.
I'm gonna figure out what I want to wear to school tomorrow. And I need to finish my homework. Because tell me why I did all that work just for me to still barely be passing.
Oop.
Am I missing a step?
It's cheese next, right?
No, it's the bacon and then the cheese.
There's no bacon.
I mean, well, the pepperoni then the cheese. Oops.
For 15 minutes. Oh, for 35 minutes. We'll do it for 35 minutes.
Take me on, take on me, I am.
I'll be what?
I don't know what the lyrics are. I know I played
I'll
it.
be y'all.
No, I said.
That sounds like what you said. I'll be y'all.
No, I said. What did I even say?
You don't even know what you said.
I don't even
Sounds like you said I'll be y'all.
No, I just know I played it in band last year. Their marching season's already over. That was fast. Oh, okay, my bad.
I heard
Oh, okay.
Ches. Can I say cheeseburger? Why is this mozzarella? It's not even the same mozzarella.
You the one that got it.
Look, they are the same on the
Is
thing.
it the same bag?
It's the same bag. Oh, shredded, finally shredded.
Oh.
Oh well, lasagna's lasagna. I mean, cheese is
Pizza.
cheese.
Oh.
What?
Lasagna's
Pizza's
lasagna.
pizza.
Pizza.
That is Little Caesar's phrase.
Take on.
All right. We get down to the nitty gritty here.
Nitty gritty? He said gritty.
Nitty gritty. This is it right here.
Somebody go please.
I don't think we're gonna need that. We'll put some more meat on there. Put some more meat. I'll put the rest of the sauce, and that'll be it.
Wait,
That'll be a
is
wrap.
pepperoni a meat?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know that?
no.
It's a salami. Salami is a meat.
I
Dad, I didn't
know.
get a chance to put the pepperoni on top.
Then we put the rest of the sauce, and we just put the rest of the cheese. That'll be a wrap.
Wrap. Oh, wrap.
Wrap.
Oh.
Banana.
Oh. Dad, you're supposed to go.
You didn't say go.
Oh, go.
Go on.
Rap.
Long time ago, I didn't really know. That's why we stick to cooking, because we cannot rap.
No, you can't rap.
You can't either.
Who said I couldn't rap? Y'all never heard me
Okay,
rap.
kick it one time.
Y'all. Who's y'all? Who's y'all?
Kick
I
it.
don't have no beats.
Give her a beat, Tino. Alright.
That's the worst beat you
That's
could
the
have given.
same thing you said with them lips.
Hey, Chris. No, I can't.
Come on, Miss Salami.
With salami?
Miss Salami.
Oh, I thought it was with salami.
What's Khalifa?
No. That's Miles.
Alright, this is it. This is the final step.
I am so hilarious.
I was gonna say something. I was like, no, I can't even say it. Somebody get the mozzarella.
Come take a look at this. We're gonna cheese it up, Gab. We're gonna cheese it up.
You don't want to hear me the cheese. Somebody open the cheese. Dad, you dropped the sauce all over the floor.
Alright, cheese it up. Cover the floor with that.
Yay!
Use all of it.
Yay!
Make sure you get corners. Don't just make a mess. You gotta get all the sides. Fill it up.
Yay!
I think we need to cover it first. I'll grab aluminum foil over there. Alright, get this in.
Where's the aluminum foil?
Right there in your face where it says 100.
Oh.
Dad, they don't need the shadows. Dad, stop.
Somebody button these.
Alright, it's basically done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it, we're gonna put it in the oven for 35 minutes.
I don't know. You pointed at me like I was.
I told you 35 minutes.
I
You
thought
want to
you
listen
said
with me.
45.
No, I didn't say 45. Why would I say 45? Because that's what I call 45, 45. Was 45 on your mind? I said 35. Should I start calling 35 or 45? Or quarter?
Alright, time to go clean this video. Where in the world did you?
I'm gonna have to chase down your ornaments. They're all over the front yard.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, these little tunes that were laying down. There's one here on the sidewalk.
What the? Oh.
So how is it, Gabby? Just give your honest opinion here of this recipe.
How is this?
It's good.
It's good.
Okay, so what do you like about it?
Definitely the flavor. Because you know, like lasagna, I don't eat eggs. So I can taste a little bit of the egg with the, what is it, cottage cheese
Yeah.
inside. And I like that I don't have to worry about that with this. It's just noodles with a bunch of sauce and cheese and pepperoni. Now my mom said there was a kick to it, but
All right. Come on, let your brother try it. All right, we got Fantino. He's getting ready to try it. He's going to give his honest opinion.
It's definitely different. It's not like lasagna. It's not like pizza.
I haven't had lasagna in forever, so I don't know what lasagna is supposed to taste. Okay, I can see the little kick mom was talking about. Can you taste it?
Yeah.
It's like not even a kick. It's just like
And I'm like an after type of thing.
it's like like it's not bad. It's good. It's not gonna give me
So
that.
does it pass the eating test?
It passes the eating test.
All right.
10 out of 10 would recommend the recipe.
9 out of 10?
I said 9. Okay.
We say 9 out of 10, Gabby?
I said 10 out of 10, but
Oh, 10 out of 10? Tino, what's up?
I'm gonna give it a 9.
You give it a 9?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for your honest opinion. I appreciate it. And that's a what?